Okay, so we're going to start with our filling. We're going to pour half of our milk into a pan. Then the sugar. And the butter. The rose water. And a pinch of salt. And then we're going to heat this on the stove till the butter is all melted and nice and incorporated. In the meantime, we're going to put 1 whole egg into a bowl and 2 egg yolks, so we'll need to separate them. Now we're going to beat them together before adding our flour and the other half of our milk. Now we're going to mix it well before slowly adding it to the other half of our mixture. And heat it up while you constantly stir until it thickens, at which point we're going to pass it through a sieve. Until it looks like this mess. We're going to do a simple hot water pastry with flour, butter and hot water. So we're going to melt our butter in our hot water. And then add it to the flour. And then mix it together with a spoon at first and then move on to kneading it by hand. And then we're going to roll it out till the desired size. At which point we're going to wrap it around a rolling pin before taking out our buttered and floured pie tin. Now we're going to roll out our dough over the pie tin and slowly stretch out the dough till it fits. Then we're going to trim off the excess. And it doesn't matter if you have any tears or something, because you can still fix it with the extra dough. Then we're going to take a toothpick and prick holes along the bottom of our pie dough before putting it in the oven for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to roll out our lid. And again, roll it around a rolling pin. This time I put flour in between to keep it from sticking to itself. Now that our crust has pre-baked, we're going to pour in the filling. Then we'll wet the edges to create a better seal. And then we'll roll out the lid. And again trim off the excess and crimp the edges. After which we're going to prick vent holes. And brush the pie with milk. You can also do this with egg white. And finally we're going to sprinkle some sugar on top before putting it in the oven. And it's not bad. I had it when it was still really hot. And it doesn't have a pronounced taste, so you could add a lot of different things to make it your own thing. And I do think a lot of these 17th century recipes were meant as suggestions to do your own thing with.